In this video, you'll learn how to log into your GoDaddy account quickly and securely, whether you're checking your domains, updating hosting settings, or managing email. Everything starts with being able to sign in the right way. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, and I'll also mention a few helpful tips along the way so you can avoid common login issues. First, you'll need to get to the GoDaddy login page. The most direct way is to open your web browser and go to sso.godaddy.com. This is GoDaddy's official sign-in page. If you don't want to type in the address, you can also start from the main GoDaddy website. Just go to the home page, then look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click on the sign-in option. That link will take you straight to the same login area. Once you're on the login page, you'll see the main sign-in form. Here, you'll enter your account details. In the first field, type either your username or your customer number. GoDaddy lets you use either one, so it's fine if you remember one but not the other. Just make sure there are no extra spaces before or after what you type, since that can sometimes cause errors. Next, move to the password field and carefully enter your password. Take your time here, especially if you're on a laptop or mobile keyboard where it's easy to hit the wrong key. If there's an option to show or hide the password as you type, you may want to briefly show it to confirm you've entered it correctly, especially if you've had failed login attempts before. After both fields are filled in, click the Sign In button. If the credentials are correct, you'll be taken into your GoDaddy account dashboard where you can see your products, billing information, and other settings. If you prefer not to type a username and password every time, GoDaddy also gives you the option to log in with certain third-party accounts. On the same login page, you'll notice buttons that let you sign in using your linked Google, Facebook, Amazon, or Apple account. This can be convenient if you already stay signed into one of those services on your device and want a quicker way to access GoDaddy. To use one of these options, simply click the button for the service you want, such as Google or Apple. A new window or prompt will appear asking you to confirm which account to use and to allow the connection if it isn't already set up. Once you approve it, you'll be redirected back to GoDaddy and signed in automatically as long as that external account is linked to your GoDaddy profile. And that's all there is to it. You've seen how to reach the GoDaddy login page, sign in with your username or customer number and password, and use linked accounts like Google, Facebook, Amazon, or Apple for faster access.